So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu 2004 LTS version. Okay, so you can use Ubuntu 18 point those distributions and it will run almost the same. Even you can use Linux Mint, the installation procedure is same. Okay, so let's focus on Visual Studio Code first. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to type code.visualstudio.com. So it will navigate to this website, and you can see here this is how the Visual Studio Code text editor looks like. Okay, so now we are downloading for Ubuntu, so we'll have to click this. Okay, .deb, and for Red Hat based distributions like Fedora and SUSE you can click here. Okay, so after clicking this it will show you thanks for downloading this thing, and it will open up with a pop-up, and I have already downloaded this file, so I will not click on OK. So you'll have to click OK in order to proceed with the download. Okay, so I'll press cancel because I have already downloaded this file, so you'll have to press OK for downloading. Okay, so here is the file. So I have opened it in downloads directory. Okay, so you'll have to open your terminal and you'll have to navigate to downloads directory. So how will you navigate? You'll write cd downloads and press enter. Now ls, and you can see this is the file. Okay, .deb file. So now these are the commands that I will type so that you can install Visual Studio Code in your Ubuntu. By the way, these commands are given in the description of this video, so you can copy paste in your system and you are good to go with Visual Studio Code. So the first command is sudo dpkg -i and then the file name. So just type code and press tab. It will auto complete the file name, and press enter, and now hit your password and press enter. It will start unpacking the package. So it is setting up, and that's it. And now let's install the updates. Sudo apt-get update. Okay, so in case if you guys are getting any dependency error, at that time I will show you what to do. So the thing is you'll have to type an extra command and then you'll have to write this command. In my case I did not get any dependency error. So if you encounter any dependency error, then you will have to type this command sudo apt-get install -f. Okay, so in my case I did not get any dependency error, so that's the reason I am not going to press enter. So in case if you are installing this Visual Studio Code and if you are facing any dependency error, that time you will have to type this command and then run this command, and it will run very well. Okay, so I think this is the commands that we wanted to write, and let's see whether Visual Studio Code is there or not. I'll type VSC, and there we go. We have this Visual Studio Code installed in our Ubuntu, and this is how the interface looks like when you first time open the Visual Studio Code text editor. And you can uncheck this if you don't want to see this welcome screen each and every time when you open Visual Studio Code. So I'll uncheck this and click close button. So here you can see this is the Explorer tab. Okay, so you can open up any folder if you have opened previously in your system, and here is the search, and you can also replace the content of a particular file. And this is for source control. If you are familiar with Git or GitHub, you will be knowing. So you can just you can just merge and you can push the repositories, and this is some complex stuff if you guys don't know. And this is for debugging, so you can debug any any programming language code, for example C++, Java, so and you also even Python, so you can run and debug. And also this is the extension part where you can install packages. For example, like any package you want to install it, just type like Python, there is one package, so you can install it by clicking the install button here. And if you want to install Emmet, oh by the way, Emmet defaultly comes in Visual Studio Code. Let me show you. So not yeah, here you can see here Emmet is already installed. So and if you want to install anything related to SAS, so here you can see there is one syntactically awesome style sheets for autocomplete and formatter, which is pre-written, and it's only just a matter of time you install it and use it. And if you are doing any web development, this extension is really very nice for you, which is live server. Okay, so it will auto reload the web page. You need not have to go to a web page and click reload button. Okay, so this is written, so you can install it and you can use it. Okay, so that's it guys in this video. I hope you guys can install now Visual Studio Code in your system. So if you guys have any doubts or anything, you can just post it in the comment section of this video. And that's it, and have a nice day. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Okay, so bye bye, have a nice day.